Your body wasn't designed to live in constant stress. But right now, millions of people are stuck in a state their nervous system was only meant to use for emergencies, and it's silently destroying them from the inside out. When your body stays in chronic stress mode, it's not just uncomfortable, it's actively breaking down your health, system by system, organ by organ. This isn't about feeling anxious. This is about what stress is costing you physically. When your nervous system is locked in stress response, your body diverts all resources to survival. That means it stops prioritizing digestion and nutrient absorption, immune function and cellular repair, hormone balance and reproductive health, clear thinking and memory consolidation. Research shows chronic stress increases your risk of heart disease by up to 40%, digestive disorders and gut dysfunction, accelerated brain aging and cognitive decline, chronic inflammation, which is the root of nearly every modern disease. One study found that people with high stress levels have shorter telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA that determine how fast your cells age. In other words, stress is literally aging you at the cellular level. Every day your nervous system stays in overdrive is a day your body can't heal, can't restore, can't function the way it was designed to. The question isn't, can I manage my stress? The question is, how much damage am I willing to let it do?